In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures today as they're realizing a little bit of hesitation here today, but not before we did see a new contract high. July contract going to $70 intra-session before backing off here throughout the day, and currently 69.25, down about 0.5% on the day, but still holding at the top end of the last 2.5-year high when we look at the range from going back to October of 2018. And I think one of the contributing factors why we're seeing a little hesitation today has to do with the importation of crude to China. We did get that data overnight, and we're seeing less crude going into China currently, at least from the May perspective. And it was a one-year low, I believe, for importation into China. So that it causes a little concern, I think, as far as demand, but a lot of market observers feel that that's going to be transient in nature and that will pick up here as we move through the summer. Also, the other storyline I think out there is just the supply-demand quotient from a global perspective, particularly when you still see OPEC Plus indicating that they're going to slowly relieve those restrictions that have in place. The market's still anticipating that that's going to be a slow process as they balance with demand. And we are seeing demand picking up in the United States. We're seeing demand pick up in Europe. And the expectations are we'll see demand picking up in some of the other areas that have suffered from the COVID storyline here the last couple of months. So by and large, we're seeing WTI futures slightly lower on the session, but overall, that general uptrend certainly appears to be firmly in place as we are just off 2.5-year highs.